Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a Roblox shirt. First, open Roblox and go to the Create page. From there, look for the option called Creations. From there, go to the Avatar Items section. From the drop-down menu, select Shirt. Before you can make a shirt, you will need the official shirt template. You can find this by searching for it on Google and downloading it from the Roblox website. Save the template image to your computer. Next, open the template in your image editing program. In this tutorial, I will use Photopea, but you can use any software that supports layers. The template is divided into different parts of the character. You will see the torso, the left arm, and the right arm. Each of these is broken into smaller sections, such as the front, the back, the sides, and the top and bottom. The guide on the template also shows dotted lines, which mark the limits for glove details or lower leg designs if you are working with R15 avatars. To start designing, create a new transparent layer above the template. This way, you can draw or paint your design without damaging the original guide. Add your colors, patterns, or logos directly over the areas that match the character's body parts. You can keep checking the template layout to be sure each detail goes in the right spot. Once your design is finished, save it as a PNG file. Go back to Roblox, return to the Create page, and select Shirts. Choose the file you just made and upload it. After a short time, your shirt will appear in your creations, ready to use on your avatar. That is the full process of making a standard Roblox shirt. Thanks for watching.